हाय एवरीबॉडी। ए भाई, ज़रा देख के चलो, ऊपर भी नहीं नीचे भी, नीचे ही नहीं बाएं भी, बाएं भी नहीं दाएं भी, whatever whatever whatever। ए भाई, ज़रा देख के चलो। So this is Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I Am Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and tea solutions. It's an unedited one. So just soaking up the sun, as you can see, and stuff and all that. And it's a pretty, alarming situation that you walk in the beautiful lanes of your own neighborhood. On one side, you've got amazing greenery, and you've got some beautiful flora and fauna and stuff, and animals, pets, children, seniors, and everybody enjoying in the parks, and you're taking a nice long walk in your neighborhood. And the other end, you've got garbage being thrown, and situations like people throwing their quilts and furniture and discarded items right on the street in the neighborhood and stuff. And then we are complaining about furniture. We are complaining about sorry, not furniture, but we are complaining about the city being dirty. Who's adding to this? Most of the people are. And you want the neighborhood communities and management to do their jobs and stuff, and people themselves are not disciplined and behaving in a civilized manner. So a humble request that if you notice some situations like these happening, and you notice people dumping their furniture, or dumping their waste, or dumping anything or the other, click a picture of those and share those, because the only way is to bring it forward and kind of, I wouldn't use the word expose, but definitely raise a concern around this, that you have to live in a civilized manner, and you have to own it and take responsibility of your own neighborhood and your infrastructure and stuff, and stop complaining about it, and stop making it a big issue when many people are themselves throwing it, and they are themselves contributing to the whole situation. And yes, it makes sense to have more dustbins. It makes sense to have more facilities like customer care and online services available, where people can call, and probably pickup services can happen for picking up waste or discarding their furniture, or stuff they want to do away with, like quilts or whatever. But this is not done, boss. I mean, every corner of the neighborhood has something or the other happening, and how much you want people to clean up and stuff? It's not fair. It's not fair on associations or people in the organizations here and there. Everybody has to wake up to this, and take charge and take responsibility of this. Yeah.